Hey, you, Chinese boy. You're Akid's son, right?
Yeah. Ah.
Oi, why quiet? You cannot speak Malay ke? Itu you punya babi kan? What have you done?
No. We didn't do anything.
Then you pandang belakang macam ni. Tunjuk Nipa Nightmares. Okay. Let's see.